unlocking the power of music literacy, challenges, achievements, and resources for educators. Welcome to the Music Educator YouTube channel. We're excited to dive into today's topic. Our mission is to inspire, educate, and empower musicians of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, our channel offers valuable insights and resources to help you grow and thrive in your musical journey. Music literacy is the foundation of musical understanding. It encompasses the ability to read, write, and comprehend music notation, as well as the knowledge of musical theory and history. These components work together to form a comprehensive skill set, enabling musicians to interpret and create music with confidence and precision. For musicians, music literacy is crucial. It enhances the ability to read and write music notation, opening up a world of musical possibilities. With strong literacy skills, musicians can accurately interpret compositions, leading to more precise performances and a deeper connection to the music they play. Understanding musical theory and composition is another key benefit of music literacy. It provides musicians with the tools to analyze and appreciate the structure of music, fostering creativity and innovation. This knowledge allows musicians to explore different styles and genres, enriching their musical experience and expanding their repertoire. Music literacy also facilitates communication among musicians. It provides a common language that enables players to collaborate effectively, regardless of their background or experience level. This shared understanding is essential for ensemble playing, rehearsals, and performances, ensuring that musicians can work together seamlessly to create cohesive and expressive musical interpretations. Music literacy significantly enhances musicians' ability to communicate effectively with one another. Through a shared understanding of musical notation and theory, musicians can seamlessly collaborate, interpret scores accurately, and convey artistic intentions. This mutual language bridges gaps between different musical backgrounds, promoting cohesive performances and enriching the overall musical experience. A solid foundation in music literacy supports performance accuracy and consistency. Musicians who can read and interpret music notation precisely are better equipped to deliver refined, error-free performances. This proficiency reduces rehearsal time, minimizes mistakes during live performances, and ensures that the music is presented as intended by the composer. Music literacy empowers musicians to explore and play a wider variety of music. With the skills to read and understand diverse musical scores, musicians can delve into different genres, styles, and historical periods. This versatility not only broadens their repertoire, but also enhances their adaptability and appreciation for the vast landscape of music. The ability to create original compositions is a powerful outcome of music literacy. Musicians with a deep understanding of musical theory and notation can craft their own pieces, experimenting with harmony, melody, and rhythm. This creative freedom fosters innovation, personal expression, and contributes to the evolution of music across genres and cultures. Music literacy proves invaluable in collaborative settings. Musicians who are literate in music can quickly interpret and integrate new pieces into group performances, facilitating smoother rehearsals and more dynamic collaborations. This efficiency and cohesion are crucial for ensembles, orchestras, and bands aiming to deliver polished and synchronized performances. National music education standards have a rich history, originally established to provide a framework ensuring all students receive quality music instruction. These standards have evolved to reflect changing educational philosophies and technological advancements, ensuring that music education remains relevant and effective in developing students' musical skills. Over the decades, music literacy standards have shifted from basic note reading to encompassing a broader understanding of music theory, composition, and cultural context. This evolution has aimed to create well-rounded musicians capable of critical thinking and creative expression, adapting to the dynamic landscape of music education. Key organizations, such as the National Association for Music Education, have been instrumental in promoting and refining music literacy standards. Their efforts focus on advocating for comprehensive music education policies, providing resources for educators, and fostering a community of practice among music teachers nationwide. The National Core Arts Standards play a pivotal role in shaping music education, emphasizing artistic processes like creating, performing, responding, and connecting. These standards guide educators in delivering a balanced and inclusive music curriculum, ensuring students develop essential skills and an appreciation for diverse musical traditions. The National Standards for Music Education outline clear goals for student achievement in music, including performance, composition, and analysis. These standards provide a measurable framework for assessing students' progress, helping educators tailor instruction to meet individual needs and promoting consistent excellence in music education. Notable music educators have significantly influenced literacy standards, shaping the way music is taught and learned. Their pioneering methods and innovative curricula have set benchmarks for quality music instruction. Through their contributions, these educators have ensured that music literacy remains a vital component of comprehensive education, inspiring both teachers and students. Achieving widespread music literacy faces numerous challenges. Socioeconomic disparities and limited resources in many communities hinder access to quality music education. These obstacles create gaps in skill development and learning opportunities, preventing many aspiring musicians from reaching their full potential and contributing to a diverse musical landscape. Socioeconomic barriers play a crucial role in limiting access to music education. Families with limited financial resources often struggle to afford instruments, lessons, and materials. This disparity creates an uneven playing field, where only those with means can fully participate in and benefit from structured music literacy programs. Budget cuts have a severe impact on music programs in schools, leading to reduced funding for instructors, instruments, and materials. These financial constraints often result in the elimination of music classes, depriving students of the opportunity to develop essential music literacy skills and diminishing the overall quality of education. Disparities in music education resources are evident across different regions. Urban and affluent areas typically have more access to comprehensive music programs, while rural and underfunded schools struggle to provide even basic music instruction. This uneven distribution further exacerbates the challenge of achieving equitable music literacy for all students. Disparities in music education resources across regions create significant inequities. Urban schools may offer extensive music programs, while rural areas often lack basic resources. This uneven distribution hinders students' opportunities to develop music literacy, limiting their potential and perpetuating educational divides between well-funded and underfunded schools. Strategies to overcome challenges in music literacy include increased funding and policy changes. Advocating for equitable resource distribution can help bridge gaps. Collaborative efforts between educators, policymakers, and communities are essential to ensure all students have access to quality music education, fostering a more inclusive environment for learning. Teacher training and professional development are crucial for enhancing music literacy. Well-trained educators can effectively impart complex musical concepts and inspire students. Ongoing professional development ensures teachers stay current with best practices and innovative teaching methods, ultimately benefiting students' musical growth and literacy. Integrating technology in music education modernizes learning and makes it more accessible. Digital tools like music software and apps provide interactive experiences, catering to various learning styles. These technologies can supplement traditional teaching methods, offering students additional resources to practice and develop their music literacy skills independently. Online resources and platforms for music literacy have revolutionized education. Websites, virtual lessons, and instructional videos provide flexible learning opportunities. These digital resources allow students to access high-quality music education regardless of their geographic location, helping to democratize music learning and reduce disparities in resource availability. Music software and apps play a significant role in learning, offering interactive tools that make studying music more engaging. These digital resources provide immediate feedback, helping students correct mistakes in real time. Additionally, they often include vast libraries of songs and exercises, catering to diverse learning needs and musical interests. Community programs and initiatives are vital in supporting music education, especially in underserved areas. These programs often bridge gaps left by school systems, offering free or low-cost lessons and instruments. By bringing music education to the community, they help foster a culture of musical appreciation and skill development. Case studies of successful music literacy programs highlight the impact of well-structured curricula and passionate educators. These programs often see higher student engagement and achievement, showcasing the effectiveness of innovative teaching methods. By examining these case studies, educators can glean valuable insights and best practices for their own teaching environments. Parental and community support greatly influences the success of music education. When parents and local communities actively participate, they create a nurturing environment for young musicians. This involvement can range from attending performances to fundraising for instruments, demonstrating the collective effort needed to sustain vibrant music programs. Early music education is crucial for literacy development, setting a strong foundation for future musical endeavors. Introducing children to music at a young age enhances cognitive abilities, such as memory and spatial reasoning. Early exposure also fosters a lifelong appreciation for music, encouraging continued learning and personal growth in the arts. Teaching music literacy requires best practices that ensure students are engaged and motivated. By focusing on foundational skills, educators can develop a structured curriculum that progressively builds students' abilities. Incorporating hands-on activities and interactive lessons helps to reinforce concepts and make learning music both fun and effective. Interactive and engaging teaching methods are essential in maintaining students' interest. Utilizing games, collaborative projects, and technology can make music education more dynamic. By creating a stimulating learning environment, teachers can encourage active participation and foster a deeper understanding of music literacy. Diverse musical genres and traditions should be included in music education to broaden students' perspectives. Exploring various styles, from classical to contemporary, helps students appreciate different cultural contexts and artistic expressions. This comprehensive approach enriches their musical experience and enhances their overall literacy. Collaboration between schools and external music organizations can significantly enhance music literacy programs. Partnerships with local orchestras, bands, and cultural institutions provide students with unique opportunities for learning and performance. These collaborations can also bring additional resources and expertise into the classroom. Assessments and benchmarks play a crucial role in music literacy, providing measurable goals for students and educators. Regular evaluations help track progress and identify areas for improvement. By setting clear expectations, teachers can guide students towards achieving higher levels of musical proficiency and confidence. Encouraging lifelong learning and a passion for music is crucial in fostering a deep, enduring appreciation for the art. By instilling a love for music early on, educators can inspire students to continue exploring and engaging with music throughout their lives, creating a cycle of continuous learning and personal growth. Interviews with music educators reveal a variety of effective literacy strategies. These professionals emphasize the importance of a well-rounded curriculum that includes both technical skills and creative expression. By sharing their insights and experiences, they provide valuable guidance for other teachers seeking to enhance their own music literacy programs. Students who have benefited from music literacy often share powerful testimonials. They speak of increased confidence, improved academic performance, and a deeper connection to their cultural heritage. These personal stories highlight the transformative impact of music education and serve as compelling evidence of its value in schools and communities. Summarizing the key points on the importance and benefits of music literacy underscores its essential role in education. Music literacy not only enhances individual skills, but also fosters collaboration, creativity, and cultural awareness. By highlighting these advantages, we can better understand why music literacy should be a priority in educational systems. A call to action encourages viewers to support and advocate for music education. By raising awareness and actively participating in initiatives, individuals can help ensure that music programs receive the necessary resources and attention. Collective efforts can drive meaningful change, making music literacy accessible to all students, regardless of their background.